Welcome to the last training video. In this video, you will learn about how to use a vacuum, identifying and using the chemicals, and the right way to do recycling. Before using a vacuum, make sure the cord is extended. Make sure to plug in and plug out by grabbing only the plug, not the cord. The on and off switch is attached on the left side of the hip strap. When you're ready to use the vacuum, make sure to adjust the straps on the shoulders, the rib cage, and the hips. The attachment you will use to vacuum is called a sidewinder. Keep the surface in the carpet so you can vacuum properly. You will attach the black hose to the sidewinder. And using both hands, move the sidewinder from one side to the other. Do not use the attachment one-handedly, otherwise you could injure yourself. When you're done using the vacuum, with the cord extended, start rolling the cord around your arm from the end closest to your left arm. This is done so the cord is not bent or damaged. You can put the cord on top of the vacuum ready for someone else to use. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, you are required to check or replace the vacuum bag of the vacuum you're going to use. Lift the latches to take out the lid of the vacuum. If the paper bag is more than 1/3 of its capacity, replace it. You can find new vacuum bags in the closet where the vacuum is stored. For a new vacuum bag, make sure to attach it correctly to the lid of the vacuum. Do not put the bag inside the vacuum and then cover it with the lid. Attach the latches to the lid and then you're done. You can also use a push vacuum. Before plugging it in, extend the cord like if you would with a backpack vacuum. There is a red button on the lower right side that you can push with your foot. The blue knob is to change the intensity of the brush. You don't need to change the setting of the blue knob unless your supervisor tells you to. You can also use the gun mode with the extra attachment on the back of the vacuum to vacuum the hard to reach places. There is a green on and off button on the front face of the vacuum. Pull the blue lever to detach the lid from the vacuum. Carefully detach the vacuum bag from the red clamp. You can use the cardboard lid to seal the vacuum bag before throwing it away. Replace the bag if it's more than 1/3 of its capacity full. When using a new vacuum bag, bend the dotted line of the cardboard and make sure the red clamp secures the cardboard. If you drop the filter, put it back with the uneven shaped face first and the tip facing upwards. Put back the lid by pulling again the blue lever. When you're done using the push vacuum, roll the cord around the blue plastic below the handle and the gray plastic next to the gun. Let's move on to the chemical. The assignments for the restroom crew are attached to the cart. The chemicals you will be using with a regular rag are the following. CDC-10 is a non-acid disinfectant that can be used in the porcelain of sinks, toilets, and urinals. H2 Orange is another effective disinfectant. Please do not confuse it with CDC-10. You can use H2 Orange on tables, doorknobs, and light switches. Use 3M with a microfiber rag for all glass and mirrors. Use vinegar with a microfiber rag for chromated pipes or faucets. You can put the dirty rags on the corresponding mesh bag located on the front of the cart or at your closest custodial closet. Biobol is a strong acidic chemical. Use it to clean drinking fountains. Your coworker will show you how to do it. Use Biobol and a Johnny mop to clean the inside of the toilets and urinals. Wax liners are to be replaced from the ladies' restrooms regularly. There are three types of hand soap for washing your hands, which I will show you later in this video. To clean the floor drains, use Consume Nature's Way. Refer to the restroom assignment sheet to know how much to use. Use Tri-Base for mopping the floors. The dilution ratios are found marked in orange on the custodial closet. Use the wipes to clean phones and keyboards. Next, I will show you about the paper towel dispensers and soap dispensers. If you want to put a new paper towel, open up the lid by using a key like this one. You don't need to replace the old paper towel roll, but make sure the old paper towel roll is at least 1.5 inches deep. Pull the blue lever and have the old roll go downwards. Place the new roll on top. Pass the end of the paper towel above the black plastic and below the blue clamp. What are you doing? Just put it a little more. Ah, really? Really? Pass 1 to 2 inches below the blue clamp. Fold the paper towel upwards. Make sure not to cover the sensor, otherwise the paper towel won't come out. You can then close the lid. For the black soap dispensers, push the button upwards to open the lid. Open the lid and then take the bottle out. Not like this. Take two. Carefully take the bottle out. Fill the bottle up to 3/4 of its capacity using light and foam. Put the bottle back and close the lid. For the cubic shaped dispensers, open the lid by pushing the button or inserting a pin on the right side of the lid. Fill it with Perlux up to 3/4 of its capacity. The consistency of Perlux is thicker than light and foam. Please do not put Perlux in the black soap dispensers or the other way around. For the white metal dispensers, open the lid by using a key like this one. Fill it with borax powder soap to 3/4 of its capacity. Lastly, I will show you the correct way of doing recycling using an elephant. First things first, the black bean being pushed is an elephant. Please don't go around calling people elephants, especially if it's your boss. Place the elephant center to the wire beam. The edge of the elephant has to match the edge of the wire beam. Lift the elephant from the handles and pull it towards the wall. The edge of the elephant should lock up with the edge of the wire beam. If you manage to do that, physics will do its magic, and even if you go inside, it will be safe. If you don't feel safe doing this, ask your student supervisor or your coworker for help. This concludes the training bit. Please check the link on the description below that will send you to a quiz for you to complete. Welcome to the UPP Building Car Crew. Thanks for watching.